Hi, so may I know your name, please?
I'm Swayam Raishike.
Okay.
I'm from Mumbai.
From Mumbai.
Yes.
Nice. So, Swayam, how was your overall experience at LevelUp IAS in this GS Foundation course?
Okay, so it was a very nice experience. According to me, the best part was the mentorship program.
Okay.
After weekly test or else monthly test, half yearly test, after that evaluation process used to go. That was the best part, and they used to guide us each and every step. I think it was fabulous. Means that was the best part of this institution, and rest all the faculties were accessible to us at any time, and it was like they are our elder brother and we are their younger brother. That was
Great.
the bond with institute.
Since you talked about the test also, तो weekly test और ये monthly test ने आपको कैसे help किया आपकी preparation को? कितना help मिला है आपको?
वीकली टेस्ट ने मुझे एक्चुअल में जब मैं आया था यहाँ पे सो मुझे जीरो आइडिया था. जब मैंने फर्स्ट पेपर लिखा वो एंड जब अभी लिख रहा हूँ पेपर बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस है ड्यू टू वीकली टेस्ट प्रैक्टिस.
Subjective test.
ओके, उससे मेरी आंसर राइटिंग की स्पीड बढ़ गई, प्लस एक प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में आइडिया आया, कैसे राइट करना है कैसे नहीं लिखना है, वो सब आइडियाज के कारण मींस वीकली टेस्ट ने भी बहुत मुझे हेल्प किया.
So they also give you the access to the online portal also. So आप उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताना चाहेंगे? How flexible was it? और online portal ने आपको कैसे help किया? The classes also, जैसे आपने कभी मिस किया हो या कुछ ऐसा रहा हो?
So there was a phase in after September. I was not well.
Okay.
Due to my ill health. At that time, the class institution has provided me online access, which helped me means in the best manner, and they have provided me 2 times access.
Okay.
Means I can watch if suppose lecture is of 1 hour, so it was for 2 hours. So it was the best, means online access was the best part, I can say.
Okay, so was the course affordable for you?
Yeah, it was very much affordable and it was very systematically provided for me.
Okay.
Starting from the front desk till answer writing, evaluation, teachers, rest all were the best faculty of this institution.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, अगर मैं बोलूँ rate करने के लिए to this overall experience of yours, so what would you rate? How much would you rate?
With my honest experience, I will provide 9.5. There were few points.
Yeah. I was coming to that only. That's
that
fine.
was very minor, but
Okay.
9.5. I am very much happy and satisfied with the faculty also and with the institution.
Great. So any suggestions you would want to give?
Any suggestions as such means it is not the major suggestions, but that I guess the teacher which they were faculties who were means as per my idea they were best, but few points means they were very, it was my mistake or what I don't know, but it was like they were in their speed which I think
अच्छा थोड़ा जल्दी हुआ कुछ ऐसा लगा
थोड़ा जल्दी हो रहा है.
ठीक है. So that will be conveyed for sure.
Yes.
And good luck for your
Right.
exam.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much for giving us
Thank
your
you,
time.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.